Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my garage in the Volvo V70. I've got a bit of an issue. The windscreen bonding has given up and it's leaking water into the car. I didn't know quite how bad it was, but it's been parked up for a couple of months and unfortunately it's soaked the interior, the carpets. So the carpets are all out. I've got a dehumidifier in there at the moment which is working to dry the car off. But more seriously, the heater blower fan has stopped working. I think the water has got to it, so I'm going to have a go at replacing that later this evening. But beforehand, I'm going to replace just check the fuse. Hopefully, it could be that. Maybe not. Knowing my luck, it won't be the fuse. So the fuse is located in the main fuse box here under the bonnet. But there's actually two levels of fuses, and it's the harder to get to fuse underneath this one. So I thought I'd do a very quick video on how to get this one out so you can check the fuses below. Right, start by taking the cover off the fuse box and cover off the battery. Now I'm going to take off the battery negative terminal because there is a danger of getting this too close to the touching the body. All these are 12 volt live, so you don't want to touch that onto the body of the car when we take it off. So I'm just going to tuck that somewhere out of the way. That'll do for now. Okay, 10 mil. Okay, remove that there, and we've got some tabs around the outside. So we want to, I'll do a photo of this, release the grey one there, and they stay, there's two here, they stay on. Oh, actually, first of all, that's what I did last time, yeah. Release the side panel, just makes it slightly easier. See why I wanted to take the battery off, because if you fold that back too far, that's going to touch on the body there. So right inside, I'll take a photo in a second. We've got number 10. I know is the blower, so I'm just going to remove that. It doesn't look like a fuse. It looks more like a mini relay. The fuse is fine, that's a shame. So it looks like I have a faulty blower motor. Okay, that's the fuse, odd looking thing, but it's 40 amp. So to refit it, very straightforward. I've just put the fuse back in down there on the lower level, slide it down. Clips in, there we go. And the side panel on. And 10 mil nut. Go. And put the lid back on. That's it.